Channel Junior Show, watch it now. And only 1, 2, 3. Junior! And we're not today.
White stuff on the floor.
And we're going to open 2 lollipops. I'm gonna open mine first, and let's see what I got. A card. I got candy! You got the candy, show them! I got the candy, and let's see what else. Set it down right here. I got this guy. Oh, cute! Look at him! Oh, get the nom. And I have a star. Wow.
Hey, Destiny.
And want special access to the levers.
I'm talking to you.
What do you want?
What is the white stuff on the floor and on the counter?
We don't know. Mayonnaise. We'll clean it up.
Why would mayonnaise be on the floor?
We don't know. If we even get the mayonnaise out.
That's not mayonnaise. That's just like milk.
Milk. Oh, I just teared mine open, by the way, guys. Let's see, I got mine. The passcode is toy. Now, let's see what she
I want
got.
this stuff picked up right now. Let's go.
We just gotta finish. Look at that cute little spider.
It's glue. That's what it is.
Glue. Oh, glue. So that's not a
That's what
double.
it is.
He's chewing. That's cute. And that's not a double. Oh, we got a dynamite, but that's not a. That's a double. But oh well, I can probably trade that with Natalie. And no, I'm not trading you my candy. For something. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. Goodbye.